Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School, affiliated to CBSE. Myself, Mridula Kadadaru, mathematics teacher for standard 5th. So children, today let us take a quick recap on chapter 11, speed, distance and time. So children, let us begin. Students, we have already studied about speed, distance and time in our previous lectures. So what is speed? Speed is defined as the distance traveled or covered per unit time. So we can give the formula for speed as distance traveled upon time taken. So distance traveled is given in general by the letter D, time taken as T. So the unit which we can use for distance traveled is kilometers or meters, whereas for time we can consider hours or seconds. So we can use the unit or the measurement which we use, that is speed is equals to kilometers per hour or meters per second. So children, the formula to find the speed is distance traveled upon time taken. Now we have example, that is a car travels 120 kilometers in 2 hours and we have to find speed. So children, you already know the formula now. Speed is equals to distance traveled upon time taken. So what is the distance here? It is 120 kilometers and time is 2 hours. So 120 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12 and this 0 as it is. So write 60 and the unit is, check here, kilometers and here it is hour. So write kilometers per hour. Now coming to next one is average speed. So average speed, for example, if we take a deluxe bus which covers a distance of 324 kilometers between Delhi to Jaipur in 6 hours. So how we will find? Again apply the same formula. Average speed is equals to total distance traveled upon total time taken. So the total distance will be 324 divided by 6. And when you divide by 6, you get the answer 54. So write it as 54 kilometers per hour. Let us take another example. Find the speed and average speed of a train which leaves New Delhi at 8 p.m. and reaches Jammu next day at 8 a.m. The distance between the two stations is 648 kilometers and the total time for stoppage is 2 hours between these two stations. So children, first what you have to do? Consider the total time taken, that was from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. So totally the time taken was 12 hours, but actually in between they stopped for 2 hours. So the actual time taken will be 12 minus 2, that is 10 hours. Now calculate the speed. Speed is equals to distance traveled upon time taken. Distance traveled was 648 divided by 10. You get the answer 64.8 kilometers per hour. But for average speed, you have to take total distance and total time. So total time taken was 12 hours. Now instead of 10 hours, you have to take 12 hours. So divide 648 divided by 12. So you get the answer 54 kilometers per hour. Let's see another example. The speed of a train is 60 kilometers per hour. Find its speed in meters per second. So children, you already know 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So therefore 60 kilometers will be 60 into 1000 per hour. That is, for 1 hour we have 60 minutes. And when we convert this minutes into seconds, we get 60 into 60 because 1 minute contains 60 seconds. So when you multiply, you get the answer 3600 seconds. Now apply the formula for speed, that is distance traveled upon time taken. So the distance is 60 into 1000 divided by time is 3600 seconds. Now start dividing. 6 6 are 36 and 6 tens are 60. Two zeros are already getting cancelled, so here it remains 36. So 6 6 are 36 and 6 tens are 60. 6 is remaining. 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. So what is remaining? 10 into 5, that is 50 divided by 3. So children, when you divide 50 by 3, so I have it here. 3 ones are 3, remainder is 2, bring down this 0, it becomes 20. So 3 6 are 18, remainder is 2. So the answer will be 16 whole 2 upon 3 meters per second. Is it understood, children? So you will be getting such type of the questions. Just try to practice it.